What's up, guys? Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing? Hope you're having a great, wonderful day today. If you're here for the very first time, go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back, guys. All right, I'm back today. I want to cover the Genesis Education Library, okay? This program has been around about 7 years now. Great digital marketing platform, okay? Training is provided to teach you and show you how to make money online, okay? The digital training products, okay, are accessible from any smart device as long as you have a Wi-Fi connection, okay? So you can learn and earn even on the go. All right, so I've had folks to ask me, there's numerous affiliate programs that I promote, okay? And they all are different in their own right. So if I had to start over, which program would I start with? I would say the Genesis Education Library. Why? Because number one, for someone that's on a budget, right? You have room to grow. That's one thing. But if say you're on a budget, guess what? You can get started for $149. And then all you have to do is pay the difference to go from one level to the next. And it's room to grow. So you can go from making $100 all the way to $2,000 with one program, one system. Okay? So $100 a sale, $250 per sale, $500, $1,000. Or 2,000. So we've got low ticket, mid ticket, and high ticket. One system so you don't have to buy different programs, right? So I would say I would start here. If I had to start over looking back on everything and say this was the first program I was introduced to, or I was introduced to several and this was one, I would start here. Like I said, because you can get started for as low as $149. Okay, and then that allows you some room in here to just upgrade and go at your own pace, right? So perfect for that. So the online money generating education program, what best describes you? Here's the questions. I'm looking to start an online business, or am I looking to boost my online business? Ask yourself that question. All right, Genesis Education Modules. You're looking to start your own business or boost your existing business, then Genesis Product Library is for you. So G100, guys. Here is the entry-level package. It contains 8 courses to help you get your marketing off to a perfect start. So you're able to make a $100 commissions over and over and over if you purchase this particular product. Now, what's something you may want to think about? That's all you'd be able to make is $100, right? So even if someone purchases the G250, you would make 100, and then the difference will go up to your sponsor. So if you could at least do the G250, now you have 2 streams of income, right? You'd be able to receive the $100 commissions and the $250. So this is something to think about. So here are the courses that you're going to get with that G100. Quite a bit of training, guys. So this is a great way to get started with affiliate marketing and digital products. So the company, what I love about affiliate marketing is we're promoting other people's products. So they've done all the hard work. They've created the websites. They've put together the products. They're going to handle all the customer service issues, questions. All we have to do is promote it. Okay? So it's a great way to earn instant commissions any way you want. You decide how you want to be paid. When someone goes to your link, hit that buy now button, how do you want to receive your payments? So you're going to be able to earn and learn at the same time. And you're not having to create the products. So here they are. So this is the G100. Okay, so you're going to have the resale rights once you purchase this to resell it over and over and over and over. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. We don't own any of this stuff, right? We're just affiliates, and we can promote it and make 100% commissions. Awesome. I love that. So the why. Have you ever wanted to step away from the 9-to-5 grind of your job? Okay, that's a question they're asking. The Genesis Library makes this possible within no time. You can go from complete beginner to a financially successful entrepreneur. All right, so great platform. Next one up is G250. This particular course is 10 different courses, the G250. And you can see them all listed here, guys. And again, you can access all this simply from your smartphone or any smart device, okay? A tablet, computer, whatever, as long as you got a Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so here's all the products for that. Again, instant commissions, no monthly fees here. That's the other thing. One-time payment, okay? One-time investment, and you're able to earn over and over and over and over again. The other thing I love about this program is even if you're at a lower level and someone comes at a higher level, you're still going to earn at your level. As I stated earlier, if you come in at G100 and someone purchases a G250, you're still going to make $100. Okay? So I think it's a fair comp plan. So the G500 is the third product. It's the beginning of the advanced levels. So here are the packages for that one. Okay, the training. So you get a lot of great training here. You just learn at your pace. Okay, so we have that one. And remember, if you purchase the higher levels, the lower levels are included. That's the other great thing. Okay, so if you purchase the G500, you're going to automatically get the G250 product and the G100 product. So that gives you more income streams. Okay, because you don't know which product people are going to purchase, but if you're positioned, you're going to be able to receive it. Okay, even the difference, even if you're not at that level. Okay, but that gives you more leverage, more income possibilities. Next one up is G1000. So as I said earlier, we have low ticket, mid ticket, and high ticket. So now we're in the high ticket for the folks that want to make $1,000 commissions. Okay, that's powerful, guys, to be able to have $1,000 day. And for some people, $1,000 a week, a one-time payment for $1,000 in a week would make their day, make their month. Okay, so you have that access here and the possibility if you purchase the G1000 product. So you get a lot of training here. This incredible series interviews 20 of the top marketers on the internet. Okay, some powerful stuff here. All right, so let's go down to let's see, this is video on demand. Okay, on demand. Look at this. The Village. This is the audio series behind many of the highest money earning producers in the business the world today. All right, great stuff. This Bitcoin breakthrough, I'm interested in that. All right, so video on demand. Then for the big ticket, the big one, this is the highest ticket product that they have in this package, the G2000. You're able to make $2,000 commissions, guys, and it's 32 video on demand courses here. So a lot of great content that you're gonna have access to. Look at this. So of course, if you go all in and get your G2000, you get all the lower levels, okay, are included. But let's say you came in at a G1000 and someone purchased the G2000. Guess what? You still make $1,000, okay? Because there are some programs out there, if you don't purchase that particular product, that whole sale would pass up. You would miss out on all the commissions. But with this program, you're going to at least make the level in which you invested in, okay? So I think that, again, that's fair. So look at all the great courses you have here. Productivity, project management, leadership, conflict resolution, a plethora of great training, okay? So if you are looking to get started in affiliate marketing and you want a program that you can just focus on and not have to buy another program and another one to make the other commissions, This is a great one. It's all in one, from low ticket to high ticket. You get it all here. 7-year program is solid. Okay, so I'm going to put the link in the description, www.getpaidfromhome.info. Go check this out. For the folks that come in at the G1000 or G2000, I've got a great bonus that I'm going to give you guys. So reach out to me if you decide you want to get started, and we will talk about it. Okay, so go check this thing out. It's worth you checking out. You have nothing to lose. Go to the link in the description, www.getpaidfromhome.info. Go through the funnel, see how it works, what's included. Jot down your questions. Give me a call. Let's schedule a chat and see where you want to be, where you want to go. And I'm definitely here for one-on-one ongoing support throughout whatever package you decide to buy. Doesn't matter. And I'll be here for support and guidance, as well as offering you my marketing strategies. Okay, guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. Don't forget to smash and like the video and subscribe. Okay, click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Thank you so much. Be safe out there. Have a blessed day. See you on the next video.